Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. I wanted to share my DIY moisturizing natural body spray. You can use this spray if you want something lightweight and gentle on your skin, and it's a great way to smell great, leave your skin moisturized without having to use harsh fragrances or body sprays. So I'm going to show you step by step how I make this, so let's jump right in. And if this is your first time stopping by or watching any of my videos, my name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos. As always, I will have all the ingredients that I used as well as the measurements. They'll be listed in the description box, so please check that. And I'll also have the links where I purchased my ingredients from. So for this body spray, I wanted to use moisturizing ingredients that were also gentle on the skin. My inspiration was my Bath and Body Works fragrance spray, but I did not want to use any alcohol or harsh ingredients in the spray. So to get started, I used distilled water, Next, I'm adding my neroli hydrosol. Hydrosols are a great option for sensitive skin. If you're sensitive to fragrance oils, essential oils, they smell really good. And of course, you can use any other hydrosols. You can use rose hydrosol, lavender hydrosol, anything of your choice. I am also using some apple fruit essence water. This smells so good, and of course you are welcome to leave this out if you have trouble finding it, but it smells so good. I'm going to be using some witch hazel. If you're going to use this, make sure you get the one with no alcohol and no scent. If you're sensitive or you have sensitive skin, then you can leave it out of this recipe. You don't have to use it, but it has so many amazing benefits for your skin, especially reducing inflammation and soothing the skin. So next up is my sweet almond oil. Of course, you can use any oil of your choice. Just choose something that's lightweight and not heavy. I'm also using a blend of essential oils, and of course this is optional. If you want to use natural fragrance oils, you can also do that as well, and of course you can do any blend that you prefer. So if you're going to use oils in this body spray, you're going to have an issue with separation if you don't use an emulsifier like polysorbate 20. So if you look, you'll see that separation between the liquids. So in my case here with the spray, I decided to use sunflower lecithin, even though it's not typically used in body sprays. So I used pomegranate oil as my carrier oil so I could mix my sunflower lecithin. So I just warmed up my pomegranate oil and then I added my sunflower lecithin, and I'm just mixing it in really well so that way there are no clumps or lumps. You are welcome to use polysorbate 20. It's a perfect emulsifier for body sprays. I just opted not to use it. So I'm going to use my little mix here, and I'm just going to mix everything really well so that it can properly combine together. So this is what the consistency is starting to look like. Of course, you don't want anything thick, because you want a light watery spray, so that way when you use your spray bottle, it's not going to clog up your spray bottle. So this is what it looks like. It's a light watery consistency. So what I'm going to do next, I'm just going to check the pH level of this body spray, just to see what it's at. I'm using Optifen as my preservative. Yes, you need one because water was added. I have a preservatives video. I'll leave that in the description box, so please check it out, because I still get asked a lot of questions about preservatives. So after adding that in, I'm just going to mix it one more time. So after I mixed everything, there was a little bit of foam bubbles at the top. So all I did, I just set this aside for about 15 to 20 minutes so that everything could settle down. So this is what it looked like. After about 20 minutes, the bubbles and the foam were gone, and it had a light watery consistency, which is what you want, because you don't want this to clog up your spray bottle. So this is a really moisturizing natural body spray, and it's not going to leave your skin greasy, even with the little amount of oils that were added in. So it is very moisturizing and hydrating on your skin. So what I'm going to do next, I'm just going to package this up. This was for a 5-ounce batch. So our DIY moisturizing body spray is ready. This body spray smells so good. It smells amazing and it feels so moisturizing on the skin. So I would say, if you want to try this recipe, go on and try this out. You can make changes that work best for you. So the way I would use this is right after a shower or bath. Once you step out, you can spray this all over your skin. It absorbs very, very fast. You can also pat that into your skin. You can rub it in, but it absorbs very, very quickly, and you're going to be smelling great all day. So let me know what you think. Reach out to me in the comments. I love to hear from you guys, and please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, because that really, really helps me out. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.